Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A canvas of twinkling lights, each one a distant star, a beacon of light from faraway galaxies. It's a sight that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Stars, planets, galaxies scattered across the vastness of space. Each celestial body a part of a grand cosmic dance, moving in harmony with the universe. Now here's a secret. The universe doesn't speak in words. It doesn't communicate through sounds or letters. Instead, it has its own unique language. It speaks in the language of mathematics. Numbers, equations, and geometric patterns are its vocabulary. Every twinkling star, every swirling galaxy follows precise mathematical laws. These laws are the rules that govern the universe, dictating how everything moves and interacts. These laws govern their motion, their brightness, even their life cycles. From the birth of a star to its eventual demise, mathematics is the guiding force. Understanding these laws is like learning the universe's secret code. It's a code that, once deciphered, reveals the inner workings of the cosmos. Math helps us make sense of the cosmos. It allows scientists to predict celestial events, understand the structure of the universe, and explore the unknown. It allows us to predict eclipses, track comets, and even land spacecraft on distant planets. These achievements are a testament to the power of mathematics. Without math, we would be lost in the vastness of space. We would have no way to navigate the stars or understand the universe's grand design. But math isn't just for astronomers and astronauts. It's a universal language that transcends boundaries and connects us all. It's a language we all use, whether we realize it or not. From calculating the change at a grocery store to planning a trip, math is an integral part of our daily lives. Even in the simplest activities like building with blocks or cooking a meal, math is at play. It helps us measure, compare, and create. Engineers use math to design bridges and buildings, ensuring they are safe and functional. Architects rely on mathematical principles to create structures that are both beautiful and practical. In the medical field, math is crucial for analyzing data and making informed decisions. Scientists use it to conduct experiments and make groundbreaking discoveries. Math brings people together, fostering collaboration and innovation. It's a tool that empowers us to solve problems and improve our world. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the universe is speaking to you. It's telling a story written in the language of numbers, a story that we are all a part of. Think about the world around you. The buildings we live in, the bridges we cross, the phones in our pockets, all of these rely on math. Architects use geometry to design buildings that are both beautiful and structurally sound. Engineers use calculus to calculate the forces acting on bridges and airplanes, ensuring they can withstand the weight they carry. Computer programmers use mathematical algorithms to write the software that powers our digital world. Without math, our modern world simply wouldn't exist. Math is the foundation of countless fields, from medicine to finance to music. It's a tool that allows us to understand and shape the world around us. Let's take a trip back to elementary school. Remember learning to add, subtract, multiply, and divide? These basic operations are the building blocks of all mathematics. Addition is like combining groups of objects. Subtraction is like taking some away. Multiplication is a shortcut for adding the same number multiple times. And division is about splitting things into equal groups. These simple operations might seem mundane, but they are the foundation for more complex math. Just like we use letters to form words and words to form sentences, we use these basic operations to build complex equations and solve problems. Section 4. Unlocking the secrets, algebra, geometry, and calculus. As we journey further into the world of math, we encounter new and exciting concepts. These concepts are not just abstract ideas, but are the building blocks of the universe. They help us understand the very fabric of reality and the principles that govern it. Algebra introduces us to the power of variables, those mysterious x's and y's that represent unknown quantities. These variables allow us to create equations that model real-world situations, from simple problems like calculating the cost of groceries to more complex ones like predicting the trajectory of a rocket. Geometry takes us on a journey through shapes, lines and angles, revealing the hidden patterns and relationships in the world around us. It helps us understand the properties of space and the physical world. From the design of buildings to the orbits of satellites, geometry is everywhere. And calculus, with its focus on change and motion, allows us to understand everything from the orbits of planets to the growth of populations. Calculus is the mathematics of change, and it provides the tools to analyze and predict the behavior of dynamic systems. These advanced branches of math might seem intimidating at first, but they are simply tools for solving more complex problems. With practice and perseverance, anyone can master these concepts. They open up a world of possibilities, enabling us to solve problems that were once thought to be unsolvable. With a little effort, we can all unlock their secrets and appreciate their power. Mathematics is not just a subject in school, it is a way of thinking, a language that describes the universe. By understanding algebra, geometry, and calculus, we gain a deeper appreciation of the world around us and the forces that shape it. So let's embrace the challenge and embark on this mathematical journey together. Section 5. Math in motion, from baking cakes to launching rockets. You might be surprised to learn that you use math every day without even realizing it. When you're baking a cake, you're using ratios and proportions to ensure the ingredients are in the right balance. When you're driving to work, you're using your knowledge of speed, distance and time to estimate your arrival. And when you're managing your finances, you're using math to budget your money and make informed decisions. From the simplest everyday tasks to the most complex scientific endeavors, math is everywhere. It's the invisible force that shapes our world and empowers us to achieve incredible things. Section 6. The power of math. Shaping our minds, solving our problems. Mathematics is often seen as a subject filled with numbers, equations, and complex problems. But it's much more than that. Math is more than just a set of rules or formulas. It's a universal language that helps us understand the world around us. It's a way of thinking, a way of approaching problems with a logical and analytical mindset. It teaches us to think logically, to analyze information, and to solve problems creatively. These skills are not confined to the classroom, they extend far beyond it. When we grapple with a math problem, we are not just learning to solve that particular problem. We're training our minds to identify patterns, to see connections that might not be immediately obvious, to break down complex issues into smaller, more manageable parts and to approach them methodically, and to develop step-by-step solutions. These skills are invaluable, not just in math class, but in all aspects of life. Whether we're tackling a challenging project at work where precision and logical thinking are crucial, making an important decision in our personal lives where weighing options and considering outcomes is essential, or simply trying to understand the world around us, where data and statistics play a significant role, math equips us with the tools we need to succeed. It helps us to be better problem solvers, more critical thinkers, and more informed individuals. So the next time you find yourself faced with a math problem, remember that you're not just solving for X or Y. You're shaping your mind, honing your skills, and preparing yourself to tackle the challenges of the world. Math is not just a subject, it's a powerful tool that helps us shape our minds and solve our problems.